Welcome to Miami. Summer's flat. Hey, Canada, 51st day, make it happen.
All right, guys, so we are starting a new adventure. We are going to Elliot Key Sandbar today. As you can see, it's very windy, about 20 miles per hour today. We are leaving Matheson Hammock right now, and we are on our way to Elliot Key Sandbar to spend the day with Fresco and the Team Bajito crew, Chuchi Plus Plus, Limitless Marine, Alamar, Perfect Fit, boating. Boating with Matthew is gonna be there as well. Visuals by Martin is gonna be there. Everybody's gonna be there. So if you're not here, you're missing out. Hey guys, check it out. We just made it to Elliot Key Sandbar. It's 10:15 in the morning and this is full already. There's people that was camping here last night and the people that came here early in the morning. It's windy as hell. It's blowing 20 knots, but that doesn't stop the Miami people to come and have fun. Check it out. Hey guys, and one of the first things we do when we get to the sandbar is get our liquid hammocks. We are actually using our wireless rechargeable pump to inflate the liquid hammocks, whatever you are, whether you are at the beach, at the boat, or somewhere where you don't have access to the power outlet. We love bringing our liquid hammocks to the sandbar because people can actually touch it and feel it before they buy it. If you're interested, we're gonna leave you the link down below. Also, keep in mind that this video is very hard to edit because there is a lot of other music, so I'm just gonna put some music here and let you enjoy the visuals. Check it out, we made it to the middle of the body here at the Elliot Sandbar. Music's playing, everybody's here. Pachanga Plus Plus is there, Fresco is there, all the Alamar crew is on this side. I think I saw Andres a little bit earlier too, so everybody's here having a good time. We are here enjoying the liquid hammocks with our portable cooler here that we got food and drink, and we're here to have a good day. Check it out. The biggest picture of the sandbar right here, right now. They're taking it from that boat over there. Ready? You gotta sing. You sing Pachanga Plus Plus. Perfect, baby. Alright, so everybody, so she's doing music now. She's got the official song of the sandbar, which is called Yo Soy Pachanga Plus Plus. Tira el agua, tira el agua, tira. Gracias. Seguimos Santos. Thank you, Miami. We love you. Everybody back there, we love you. And I am gonna be at the boat ride, at the chip chop. You guys know that way. You know, guys, this is the biggest sandbar party here in Elliot Key. Everybody is on fire. We got Limitless Marine Customs in the house. #1 custom panel designer in the state. Check them out. ¿Cómo estás? What's up? What's up, Baba? Hey guys, check it out. We got Perfect Fit Bodie here in the house, enjoying the weekend with the Elliot Key Sandbar. Yeah, how's it going? All good? Yeah. You were here last night, right? It was nice. Hi, son. 3 o'clock in the morning? Yeah.
Melodía, melodía. Mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar, este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento, banana te lo voy a dar. Muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Mi salsa buena, yo te traigo la salsa buena. Estamos gozando ahí nada más, que rico está. Yo te traigo mi salsa ahora. Ay, nada más. Bueno, escucha de nuevo, mira. Los tambores se están arrollando, la banda está en candela ya, todo el mundo está bailando. Ven, ven, mi gente, vamos a gozar. Muévense con mi ritmo, un paso para adelante y un paso para atrás. Muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Te traigo ahora, ahí a Nueva York, a La Habana, donde quiera. Si yo te traigo la salsa buena para bailar. Ahora sí, allá se fue, melodía. Sabroso, qué rico está, muchas gracias.
Look what we got in the house. We got my kind of body. What's up, Baba?
How are you? How's it going? Everything good?
Hey guys, so it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, everything's going, everybody's having fun here at the Sandbar, having a good time.
Tú eres mami, que si tú quieres nos volamos pa' Miami. Yo solo pa' ti, que todos los 15 nos gastamos esa money. Pegadita pa' que te dice. Préndete a los TNT. Cara diablo la bandida, pero ese culo me da fe. Tú en la lista de espera y ella en el cel. Dice que le llegue, que se me vaya otra vez. Dale pa' vernos. Tengo el cuarito de aquel dito o menos. Vamos a perro.
Hey, you remember the hat that I have that you signed? Her father is the one that owns it. Yeah. Appreciate it.
Did I sign your kid, Slam?
Yeah, my son, yeah.
It's a sign one.
Yeah.
It was wet and everything. I was like, look at this guy. Look. Hopper has to go home. You know why? To record everybody crashing at the rip.
He's gonna be there overtime tonight.
Yeah. Kiwi. Limitless custom. Hey, how was it?
Limitless money.
How was it?
It was awesome, man. It was awesome. You know, it's always a shit show when you're around, right?
Jorge, wait for it.
Yeah. Whenever, so you help people sell the boats, and whenever they want to do the restoration, they go to Reliable, and then they can go to Limitless Marine and do that. Fresco Channel in the house. We got Limitless Marine Customs representing West Marine Pro. Got Joma here. Alfred is on his way out, and the party's still going strong at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Check it out.
estamos con Kiwi.
Se formó la pachanga.
Se porta mal.
Ah, ella sí que se porta mal.
Mira, cuando quieran estar sexy con un vestido para cualquier ocasión, aquí tienen que, ¿cómo se dice? Aquí tienen que perseguir.
A seguir.
Perseguir a la mamacita. ¡Epa! El amarillo Jordi. El amarillo Jordi, compadre. Tienen que perseguirle que ahí van a estar, mira, para el verano, para el invierno, para el summer, para todo. Aquí estamos, mira.
¿Y cuando se porta mal?
¡Ay!
All right. We gotta check it out. We got Coquito Taino, pineapple flavor. We're hanging out with everybody here. We got pineapple, piña colada, Coquito for the summer. We're about to be the bad influence.
Mamá, está rico el proceso. ¡Ay!
¿Te acuerdas de ese motel la primera vez que probaste? Pasamos como debe ser. El primer encaje, el primer masaje. Y esa vez que nos vinimos a la misma vez. ¿Te acuerdas de ese motel la primera vez que probaste? Pasamos como debe ser.
And we were out here with the liquid hammocks. The ultimate floating lounge that fits up to 8 people is perfect for chilling with the crew, with built-in cup holders and plenty of space to relax. If you're curious, feel free to come by and ask us anything, or even hop in and test it for yourself. We love meeting new people and showing off how much fun these are. Come check it out. You won't want to leave the water.
Baby, que quieres el lambón. Si la cago una vez, la caga dos. Ya es sexy, pero es sin amor. Es como un perreo sin reggaetón. No hay sentido, pero todo no es porque te dolía. Pero ya que tú me ves con otros ojos.
Baby, deja ese estrés. Que después de las 12 te vas a olvidar de